Pollution.
Air pollution.
Pollution.
Not.
Pollution.
Air pollution is
Air pollution.
Air pollution
Around us.
Hi, my name is Karina Cunha, and I'm the creator of Nosy. The World Health Organization has said that 92% of cities around the world fail to meet air safety standards. That's 92%. In London, you're going to be exposed to the equivalent of 2 to 3 cigarettes per day in terms of air pollution, but that's just from walking around. Every time that you go to the tube, 15 to 20 minutes in a tube journey is equivalent to smoking 1 cigarette, depending on the line that you're in. The goal of Nosy is to empower people to protect themselves. From the day that I started designing Nosy, the user has always been in the front of my mind, and covering the mouse was never an option. For Nosy to work, I knew that it needed to be effective, fashionable, comfortable, and sustainable. That is why, when I approached the team at AirThreds Designs, we have consciously partnered in creating a design that is all of these things.
So myself and Josh, we're both ex-Dyson engineers. So I used to work on cord-free vacuum cleaners and robotics as well. So designing around air and seals and that kind of thing, that's really our background. The problem with face masks is that they don't have a great seal around the outside. They're designed for medical environments to stop splashes and things like that. They're not designed to have a perfect seal around the face because everyone's face is different shapes. They generally have small gaps around the outside. And with air will always go through the path of least resistance. So the filter media itself has been tested to a certain level, but if air is getting in around the filter itself, you're breathing in that air straight away that hasn't passed through the filter. So the idea with Nosy is that if you're breathing through your nose and we've got a good seal, all of that air that's getting in is going through the filter and is being cleaned by the filter. And we have a 2-stage filter that has HEPA and has a carbon filter. So you have different sized particles that are being captured all the way through Nosy.
When designing Nosy, I wanted it to be bold, because Nosy is not just a health device. Nosy is a fashion statement for the modern individual. Being made of hemp fibers and with replaceable eco-friendly filters, Nosy will not be filling up landfills. Every day that you wear Nosy, you show people that you care about your own health and that of the planet. By supporting this campaign, you will fund the manufacturing of Nosy, which is in the final stages of functional prototyping. We plan to develop more lifestyle solutions to assist with breathing and to combat air pollution worldwide. If this campaign is able to reach more than £200,000 in pledges, every person that purchases a Nosy will also receive a complimentary Nosy case. If we are able to reach more than £300,000 in pledges, we will begin the development of the I Am Nosy app to measure your daily exposure to air pollution. We at the Nosy team thank you for your support. Be healthy, be bold, be nosy.
You probably don't think about your furnace filter much, and you aren't alone.
In fact, 82% of Americans fail to change their air filter monthly as recommended, even though it's critical for a home's air quality. At the same time, people are indoors more than ever before. The majority spend almost 22 hours inside every day. But what's the quality of the air you and your family are breathing? AirThreds is the first machine-washable and dryer-friendly furnace air filter. It's the perfect solution for ensuring great air quality in your home. As your furnace filter gets dirtier, more and more indoor air pollutants are left to circulate in your house. These particles, contaminants, and organisms can cause a variety of health problems, some of them serious. Beyond health concerns, not regularly changing your filter also leads to a higher energy bill and mechanical failures that will cost you. Routinely changing your furnace air filter helps extend the service life of your HVAC system. Using a disposable filter each month is expensive. They're made from non-recyclable materials that end up in your local landfill and hurt the environment. That's why we invented AirThreds. Unlike traditional filters, AirThreds is designed to be reusable, long-lasting, and environmentally conscious. How easy is AirThreds to use? The frame self-assembles and snaps together with ease. Just slide the filter over the frame, change out your old disposable filter with AirThreds, and you're done. AirThreds is specifically made from electrostatic material, meaning the filter's 3D mesh attracts and captures 90% of pollen, dust mites, mold, larger dust particles, common allergens, and help reduce pet dander in your house. Once a month, or even more if you want, just toss your filter in the washer, then the dryer, and your filter is like new. No more costly replacement filters. Breathe easy knowing you have the cleanest, healthiest air in your home. Plus, we even send you our magnetic reminder board, so you know when it's time for the next wash. AirThreds. Wash, dry, filter, repeat. The last filter you'll ever need.